Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the overview of the REOLINK 340P. So first, let me tell you about it. Basically, it has a camera here. Here it has a day or night detection. And this camera can turn up to 180 diagonal field of view. So basically, it means it can turn around. And also, it has two-way audio right here. There's a speaker and a microphone for the other person. Now, after we turn it around, as you guys can see here, we can enter the microSD card, and here we can power it over Ethernet. So that's pretty cool. As you guys can see here, the camera inside it has person detection, and basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.